Medical devices are an integral part of everyday life. Just think of the thermometer in the bathroom cabinet, the reading glasses on your nose, or a replacement hip joint. But how do these products come onto the market? In Europe, including Switzerland, market access for medical devices is regulated based on the new and global approach. They are not approved by the state, but, depending on their risk class, by inspection bodies, known as notified bodies, which ensure that they are in order. If a product is safe and performs as claimed, it can be brought onto the market throughout Europe and thus also in Switzerland, through unilateral recognition of CE certificates. Each country has an authority responsible for monitoring medical devices. The authority in Switzerland is Swissmedic, the Swiss agency for therapeutic products. Depending on the risk class of the product, a notified body may or may not be involved. Reading glasses are in the lowest risk class, and therefore the manufacturer checks on his own responsibility that certain requirements are met. Artificial hip joints, belonging to the highest risk class, require an additional examination and evaluation by a notified body. All products evaluated by a notified body have an additional number next to the CE mark. In the case of an artificial hip, the notified body checks whether the product meets the requirements for safety, efficacy, performance and quality. Sometimes clinical trials, in Europe known as clinical investigations, have to be carried out before the product can be brought onto the market. In this case, the product is tested in volunteers. Once a product is on the market, it is monitored continuously by the manufacturer on the one hand and by the notified body and the authorities on the other. Thereby, the safety of the product is guaranteed throughout its entire life cycle. This applies equally to thermometers, reading glasses and hip replacements.